In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily transfer data between databases in Notion. This is perfect when you're cleaning up a workspace, merging projects, or standardizing where your information lives. Before we start, make sure the database you want to move from and the database you want to move to both exist and that you have edit access to each. Also note that filters and sorts in your current view can affect what you see, so you'll be moving exactly what's visible or selected in that view. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you want to move items from. You can do this from your sidebar or by navigating through your pages as you normally would. Once the page opens, make sure you're looking at the correct database and the correct view, whether that's a table, board, list, or any other layout. If the view is filtered, remember that only the items shown are the ones you'll be able to select quickly. Next, select the items you want to move. To grab everything in the current view at once, click the checkbox at the top of the first column. This selects all visible rows, which is the fastest way to prepare a bulk move. If you only want a subset, you can adjust your filters first or manually click the checkboxes beside individual items. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right set selected before proceeding. With your items selected, open the Bulk Actions menu by clicking the three dots. This is the contextual menu that appears when you have items checked, and it contains options for batch actions. If you don't see it, double check that your items are still selected. Occasionally clicking less where can clear the selection. Now choose Move to Other Database page. Notion will show you a list of destination databases and pages you can move these items into. Pick the target database where you want these items to live going forward. Notion will automatically carry over properties that share the same names and types. If a property doesn't exist in the destination, Notion will do its best to add or align it. If it can't, that field may appear empty until you recreate or map it later. After the move, your items will appear in the destination database and will inherit that database's views, filters, and permissions. If you made a mistake, use undo right away to revert the move. That's all it takes. Open the source page, select your items, use the three-dot menu, and move them to the target database. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.